one-time pricing versus recurring pricing. Now, if you are charging the same for one-time deep cleans and recurring clients, you are getting robbed. It took me years to figure this out while running my business Cleanera. It cost me a whole lot of money. Now, one-time customers must pay way higher than recurring clients. This is the reason why one-time clients are usually messier. Their cost of acquisition is very high and it's very difficult to predict if they are going to come back. So here's how you should be pricing for both recurring clients and one-time clients. For one-time deep cleans, you should be charging anywhere between £200 to £250. And for bi-weekly recurring cleans, you should be charging anywhere between £150 to £180. Now, if you're offering a discount for commitment, that's pretty much fair, but you should not be offering discounts for recurring clients. Now, I break down, there's a specific discount structure I've broken down that maximizes both conversion and profit. Now, I'm going to break down this in the course which I've linked in the bio for you all.